December is the perfect month to plant perhaps the largest variety of plants that you can grow, and that is brassicas. Here you're looking at cauliflower and cabbage, and you can see that the cabbage is starting to form heads, and cauliflower leaves are starting to wrap around themselves. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So today is December 1st, and for many of you around the country, you're dealing with some really bad cold and bad weather. Here in Zone 9A, I can still grow food, and I thought I would show you what can be grown this time of year. Let's get started. Now, one of the crops that we can grow are leafy greens. These are excellent for December planting. Leafy greens can consist of lettuce, all types, romaine, butterhead, loose leaf, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, arugula, and mustard greens, and what you're looking at, collards. I can grow a variety of these, and my zone is perfect. This time of year is perfect for planting and growing these. These are mustards, Florida mustards, another leafy green. And as you can see, they're loving this cool weather that we are having. It seems like every day that I come out, they get bigger and bigger and bigger. Currently, the weather here in Florida, North Florida, it's about 56, 57 degrees, and it is overcast. We're supposed to be getting rain later on this afternoon, about a 70% chance, and tomorrow. So hopefully that will hold up, and the plants will continue to enjoy this weather that they are getting. These are kale, and as I mentioned before, they also love cool weather. Now, when we planted these were about half the size of what you're currently looking at, and they are really, really starting to take off and won't be long now. So you can also grow root vegetables. Now, root vegetables are obviously those that you eat with the edible part, or the most commonly consumed part, grown underground. And in this case, we're looking at the carrots. You can also grow parsnips. You can grow turnips and beets. They can be grown here during the month of December, Zone 9A, and they will do fantastic. Now, another thing that you can grow are bulbs and alliums. These grow in winter and can be planted right now. Onions, for my location, short day varieties. You can grow leeks. You can grow garlic, and you still can plant in December. And you can grow shallots. And what we're looking at now is my Creole garlic that I planted. I planted these earlier this month, I believe, or maybe late October. But earlier November, but they're doing well and really loving the cool weather that we're having. In recent videos, you saw me plant onions. We planted some Texas sweet onions, and we also planted a variety called Vidor. They're doing good, and we'll take a look at those momentarily. Okay, these are the Texas sweet, and they weren't as big as they are now when I planted them. They are really starting to get tall, which is good. And in their bed next to them, we have the Vidora. Those were actually planted first, and that's why they look a little taller than the Texas Sweet. But again, these are some of the things that you can plant in the month of December in Zone 9A, Florida. Now, December is the perfect month to plant perhaps the largest variety of plants that you can grow, and that is Brassicas. Here you're looking at cauliflower and cabbage, and you can see that the cabbage is starting to form heads, and cauliflower leaves are starting to wrap around themselves. But in addition to these two varieties, you can grow broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kohlrabi, collards, and I have all of those mustards also, and I have all of those growing right now, and they are really loving the cool weather. And as my grandmother and parents used to tell me, the cooler the weather, the better they seem to taste, the sweeter they seem to taste. The warmer the weather, the more bitter they seem to taste. And that's because the cooler weather causes the plants to convert some of their starches to sugars, and they taste sweet. The hot weather, it doesn't get converted, and they taste bitter. Now, you can also grow herbs in winter or herbs in winter. Some of the ones that you can grow are parsley, cilantro, dill, chives. Now, basil does not like cold weather, and basil is one of my most favorite things to use in the kitchen. So I grow that inside the house. The lemon balm, which is what you're looking at now, seems to love it. I haven't had any issues with it. Now, some tips for growing in the cool weather. Um, your plants are going to do better in raised beds, such as this one by Vigo. In here, we actually have some overwintered red potatoes, and that's what's growing now. The raised beds, or any raised bed in general, will hold the heat and moisture better than growing along the ground. Also, these plants that I have spoke of can tolerate a light frost. Um, Brassicas exclusively, they tend to love the cooler weather, and a lot of them can withstand temperatures down into the teens, some even in the negatives for a short period. You can also use row covers to cover your plants, but for the most part, they have to be cool loving plants. Unfortunately, for a lot of you that are located in other parts of the country, I would say from about zone 7 on down, you can continue to grow pretty well. But any higher than that, you're probably going to be dealing with a lot of wintry weather. And fortunately, for me here in Florida, we don't tend to have that too much. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the information on what you can grow here in 9A, or what can be grown in 9A, Florida this time of the year. Um, Basically, a lot of cool season crops or cold season crops. Um, the weather is perfect for growing them. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. Hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of veggies by myself, but one thing I cannot grow is a channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give a thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.